So here we have our Samsung Galaxy A51 and it's locked. We forgot a passcode. So if the passcode isn't right, what you can do? You can try to switch it off. But the problem is you can't switch a Samsung phone if you don't have the correct password. So I suggest you first, you connect the USB-C cable connected to the computer. And then you will hold and keep holding all three buttons to restart the phone. Once restarted, you release the power button and volume down button, but you keep holding the volume up button. So volume up, volume down, power button, all three together, holding till it restarts. Now it restarted, and you keep holding the volume up button. If this happens, then this just indicates that the phone is powering off and it's charging. So now what you will do, you press volume up and power button at the same time. So volume up and power button at the same time until you see the Samsung logo, and you release the power button but keep holding the volume up button. You keep holding until you come into recovery mode. Now we are in the recovery mode. You can disconnect the cable and then you go down and click first on Wipe Cache Partition. Yes. Click the power button to confirm, and then again you go down with the volume down button, click on Wipe Data Factory Reset. Just keep in mind, all that data on the phone will be lost. Your phone will be like new, like it came from the shop. And you will have to enter your Google credentials when you restart the phone. So you have to know your Gmail account and your password. Otherwise, you will have to search for a video FRP unlock. So Wipe Data Factory Reset, click to confirm, click volume down, and click to confirm again. You always confirm with the power button. Now you click on Reboot System Now and confirm with the power button. And you wait till the phone boots up. There we go. Your phone is ready to use. You have to now follow all the instructions like you bought a new phone. Congratulations! Thanks for watching, please comment and like the video, and donations are appreciated. You find the donation link in my About page and in the video description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.